Hello everyone, we will learn today passing data by programmatically saying unwind it and as a bonus an animation as well. We will send the data to second page and change it and save it and see it is done in first page. So we will create a new project at first. Pasting datas and save it, and so we create a new project here, and we need a second view controller as a second page, and a text field for first page, also second page, and give the dimensions for it 70 to 70 here, and let's say and I need a button, but first the second page, the same thing as we did for first page. A button. We'll use it for programmatically, and this is back button, and option click, you can duplicate it, save button, and this is back, this is save here, and we use placeholder here. Enter your password. It looks good so far, and send button, and we need a programmatically Segue here, so we connect each and show, and here we have a connection and we have an identifier. We say to second page here as identifier, but we need a view controller here as a class, so we're gonna create a view controller for second page. Here, second page view controller, and create it and assign it to the second page. Right now let's start coding. Firstly, we will define the text field here for first page view controller, and it is password text field first, so we can say 1, and so in second page we can delete this, and we have a password as a string, so it can be nil, so we can do it nil. So here we have a password text field, and we mention it 2 second. So when it view.load happened, I want to assign password to password text field text. So in the first page I need a prepare method here, prepare, override the function prepare. So let's say let destination VC view controller equal seg dot destination as and second page view controller. So destination, we see that. So command B here, it works because yeah, it's right. Okay, password equal password text field dot text here. It should work. So we were done about prepare. So we should define this send as an action. Send button tapped. Yes, and UI button and connect it. So here we say perform seg and identify what was our identifier second page. So we just say second page here and sender nil. Yeah, we will see second page there and nil. So we'll try it. So in this case, we can send the data to second page and we have no unwind right now. So try it. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, send it. Yeah, it is here, but there's no save and back. So we need unwind here. Unwind, yeah. So we have source view controller and we need as a second page view controller here, and we're gonna assign it password text field 1 text equal source view controller that, yeah, password text field text equal source view controller dot password text field dot text. Yes, we are done, but we should change our unwind name first page or what you want. So we just assign here unwind, but we can change this identifier name because you have a lot of unwind here. Unwind save, I change it as unwind save. So in this case, I just say if unwind seg dot identifier equal unwind seg, do it. Unwind save, sorry, unwind save, do it. So if you have a lot of identifier, you can define like this if else or switch case. So we should try it again. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, and it works. And when I add A, B, C, D, E, F, save it, and we're done. Our second, we did it perfectly at programmatically seg and unwind seg, and right now we're gonna add an animation. But why we don't add an alert? Because in human interface guidelines, yeah, we will see together, minimize alerts, because they don't recommend Apple human interface guidelines the alerts. Yeah, so here we just add an animation. If password text field text doesn't empty, if it is not empty, it should send the password to second, but if it is empty, we need an animation here. So UI view dot animate what was the duration? What should be duration? I assigned it 1 second, just 1 second. So let write transform equal Segue a, yeah, find transform. So just x20 and just it move to right a bit. I wanted right. So self password text field dot transform equal right transform. Yeah, so it works, it moves to right, but how it comes to back? So I need the second transformation. So I need a closer. I use it here, a closer. So UI v1 made, yeah, the same thing here, with duration the same, and I just add self password text field transform identified. It means turn back what it was firstly. And if it is not, so if there's a value, there's a password there, so send it to second page with our perform seg. And try it. And wow, it works. So 1 2 3 ABC, send it and save it. Yes. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it the thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.